Hello friends, today I am going for fishing to beautiful Jefferson Lake near Denver, Colorado. It's second week of October, but you can still see beautiful colors of fall at Kenosha Pass on Highway 285 while going towards Jefferson Lake. Right after passing Kenosha Pass, you enter city of Jefferson, Colorado with beautiful views of the valley and farms. It's about 9:30 a.m. I still see frost on the ground. It's time to start fishing. Fish were actively biting to power bait with yellow and orange color shades I was using. At the end, after eating lunch in the picnic area of the lake, we started heading back home on 285. I hope you like this video. At the end, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.